the best makeup eh nipa o feeling loved like men can say o feeling loved or ya o feeling accepted baby nipa ne wo no ohun ni say I am loved, I am accepted. And the city and our council on Kobeni Pananima, the oye be an union cranje, at the idea or yen. Indeed, Yan Shannon. Now, ye didn't come off accepted you the medical cultures in the opposite in here, rejection. Indeed, in Susan and a rejection at the Benny person. Ye reject will be a in Susan and a rejection at the number one. Rejection at the humiliation ever. Enipa bia na ya nyewa ntum okwan bi so a ema wanim gu ase ya nyewa ntum okwan bi so a e de anim gu ase kese ana ebrew na rejection e produce nipa hodo miensa mesra tie fo se omonfo omadwen ni machi na ombete nsem a awurade peso fa me so ka no ase rejection e produce nipa miensa enipa miensa e produce omono but the first person here the person who gives in say nipa we e nipa baby obeduru bi ayanye na ntuma na say ebeyi na mabia no like men kan say yen seso bi di man na say nipa ne nsem o mo kan nyina ne say me kura no emfaso be na wo so say metena se emfaso bi ani say metena se mi wukura emfaso e wo so because ablabo ne medi ne nyono ablabo ne me ni ye until rejection produce a person who gives in and the nipa we so nya hu say why you rejected in any area and I say in any phase of his or her life, the way I say loneliness about the side. On person of a be anten. A count on go no send them like Nani yes or Nini Pebi dim come because ya why I hurt ye na my pain into him so go be anten the same person no and I say was I be rejected and as obey hurt into Ube be or you lonely if you crown or tear. Men can say apart from so bedru fi obechia no oni obi ani asem biem o sene dem nko a okay enti sa enipa we me fan say oye very very lonely na enye loneliness nko say if you loneliness na about self pity enipa men can say rejection am na give you in no after loneliness no say feel self pity pa like on one case na ho kura ye no ho mobo odi ne ho areho because of ye na ma ewo niema bi mu ntino na no tonten na about misery like a great unhappiness na ni nye ewo ni wiase ye yi obi ma enipa no emfa ni je bi amere no okay anza na about depression enipa bi ayi na ma bia no se wantimi an control ni emotional ohun se enseso sorongu bi ese no so wa abarabom nti sa enseso we ba afedi enipa no be nyina ne se afi oni ani da so that is hopelessness oh me kra many da so nyina asa enipa na me gini die ni wayi mi ama many da so nyina asa enti every hopelessness ne pe na afi eba death and as suicide enti nipa bi abehun so wasa ne ho akomfo bia no ube kom no na the root of the suicide now ye no eye enipa bi ananka na ni da no so no wayi nama enti onim se enipa ni the man that is the end of his or her life oni any da so bia bim ti do be ya no say ma me fa ma bela bo no ensie ya na mi ntwa so ha because mi ni ani je bia o ma bela bo biem no atwa so eno ye first personal rejection a produce a person who gives in and the second personal rejection a produce the person who holds out say nipa we nipa because of say yin na mentino anytime bibiala no or building a wall of defense. Ewa ne ho. In this answer ma enkofo we kan say ye yi me ma ye intimate me father mfo bi mu na wi aso kwa nipa bi enu mo ye papa. Sam kofo we person mo say be ka mo ho akọ nipa bi me nti o building a wall of defense bi e de twa ne ho hia. On ko nipa nten oni nipa ni nkomo na omu problem pa na so omu pekasa. They are very very talkative. Nti oni mu da kra no tena kan mu a obesa ase no ase ni problem bla o de tie ma ase mi bi ma mi o me say ade a ni pa so ase me yire mi kunu me be ya de oni wo ba bi oni ni pakora wo ye bat ben kan say ade ne sane so nti de obeya ne say afre no ono be kan ho asem nti omo mpe namfo sam because ye na ma why very very hurt into a building a wall of defense bi e de twa ne ho asia and the third personal rejection e produce the one who fight back. Send the power so the adi be say ni tiri me say ye yi mi ama ye yi ni ma ye no e de wonwunu bi awura no ede oya obi awura no enti de obeya ne say na sa na tie dia I will fight back de nipa we ye no se nya nipa na akora na mitua ne so ka eni sa nipa we anytime bia o abufuom anytime bia na buofu anytime bia asema obusa ne nya abufuo kra na de abufuo na eba because the person has been hurt before enti of fight it back we ye enipa miensa rejection e produce we ye nipa miensa binim se wutie me a obefole e wasa nipa miensa we mu baako na de koso ane team ni se asam ne nkwa we na urade be ma oje ne ahofadie aye odia na ye can rejection nyina the feeling of being unwanted enipa ne hu ne say like aha me ko ya anyime antum asama hu se me hu hia wa ha asama hu se me hu ni mfaso wa ha asama hu se ye mfame nya hwe wa ha enti enipa ne nya sa sense ne say I am being unwanted here ye mpeme wa ha me hu ni mfaso wa ha ye mfame nya hwe wa ha no ma like nipa no na kukodro anyhow wo siti enso onye nipa menka ne say bia ne bu odua na waye mmere e wo kwan bi so enti ya can rejection meaning na the feeling of not being wanted me hu say me hu hia okay dia ba dia na the rejection eba and am dia be so na me yi obi ma number 1 different race Ghana hakora na ye wo no ye wo tribe bi wo no mo a omode tribe fufuro bi omumu wo mo kra omu wo mo say na mo kra dem say ye kaniba mo nka ho enti kame akwa say so different race bi a uduru ba bi na for instance how dem am fa we nya mfato say asantifo na betu ahia na aya asantifo nko na wa nkrani ko ho no mo a because of so no odo ye nyina ye nipa bagba because of the kasa any because of the tebia and intino Emma obe feel unwanted obe hu ne wo say asantifo kra twesi amekọ yapame enkafo twesi amekọ yapame na grovofo na grovofo twesi amekọ yapame enti different race Emma enipa feel unwanted okay ana different race na nkasa no ese gina o ma o color ebibifo yi da bia metati bi already on say emrofo isoli o mo frɛ ade because of our color esanse ye tuntum na omoye menka se fufuo ni ntino omumu ye and because of your color you can be rejected ye nipa brebe wono ma oye tuntum no akokofo mu ni kra se akokofo hu no mu ni se wo na akra de se wo ye kanipa wo ye kanipa no ho fa onka ho sa na obekom se na bia enipa tuntumfo hu akokofo so omo so no omo se da nipa bia enti nipa o race o color and o language ama utimi be rejected in life. Okay, and the toss be a physical defect. And nipa say unya dembi e wo nipa dua mu a enipa nsa demu. For instance, unhu obi na ne efra, unhu obi na ne na ba ku ni ho, ne nsa ba ku ni ho, unhu obi na so ba ku atwa. Say enye nyame suro pa ni nyame ho do ne bewura wa. Say nipa ne kwara ba njen a, woni hu say ase ye de ne toto ho a, oye third class of person bi emfa so obi anse da edini so. Enti physical defect and so the rejection eba physical defect and so the rejection eba and number 3 here unwanted pregnancy ebi ya wutie me o papa enyin se o ma me na o papa adwene mu de ohun ne wo se wadi kan wododo enti ga on expect pregnancy bi asese ana pregnancy na ba and because of that o akora no ba ye no da bia papa no onse da ni do ma o kasa ho kro de agufuo ana kasa. It may be to say, Ebia Oma Mekura no when you so many years, but who papa da. And because of that, Ama who feel unwanted in the society, Ama who say, and Faswabia Enuso. Indeed, a do Father's Day a month for free, cancer, papa de Teramo, papa now to ready one. Who Tinisu, who the TV one now both because when your papa, a month for come, papa wants and also better or done any bidiatro. Indeed, unwanted pregnancy. Enso timi de rejection edeba maame papa ne wunyi nsa ya wo hu papa ne kira kwan biem no abofra no se yefrum de ko anya mfum so bia but na wo ya obi wo wakomam and affect abofra no yefrunim enti abofra no ba ye kora no ade ni kwan se ye abufuo kora na odi abufuo na odi ye no enti utimi ka kira kora ne se o papa kwase animu no o papa wa ahwani no wa mobla a whole lot enti unwanted pregnancy at the rejection eba and little or no affection, and also the rejection eba ye yankora miensa enan enum and ya woye ma me papa ba ko na woye but I say it seems say your dominua ketua me nua panyin ne cheme me papa ni affection bi amfa ma me like ye mienu ye pe bibia papa de be marketua o de be ba panyin no na waja me ho papa ni wodo bi amfa ma me eba sa akora ne tifie wono ma ohun ne ho say I say I am not accepted here me hu hia wa ha me ma me ni do ma me papa ni do ma me yamfa me nya hwe wa ha enti little or no affection and so at the rejection eba em obi be feel unwanted e wona brabom and you want disappointment enipa and so the when two obi so disappointed no ama wo feel very very unwanted ama feel rejection in your life because so the when two nipa no wa ko duru pempens wo say ye ka bibia fa nipa no kire wa wunyi ni say nipa no betimi ayo sa but nipa no ye wo sa de no ama feel rejected in life. Into disappointment and the rejection eba ana discrimination eyimu ye nyina ye wa adwuma baakum na ye hom no it seems that ye pewe yasem ye mpe me masem enti de ye mpe na asem no be hunu se me kra no ene ye mpe masem de a ene ye te amete ane mfaso be ane wo so mete ye pede mete ye agide ada na memfiri anko ba bi foforo ada na memfiri amfa mani nkyere ba bi foforo because asante fong meti ba ko ni mu mienu ne se krodo so ayentra fa ko enye nim guase eni za na te dia se me hu hia wa ade a ma me nko ba bi a me ho ye de ba ade ehia enti discrimination e ma nipa be feel unwanted enti ma me papa hweye na wan ye yimu wo manim adwuma mu panyini hweye na wan ye yimu e wo wadwuma yefo nim na wan hwe ya ebe ma nipa no mo ye adwuma ne bi feel unwanted obeja ho na ode nani akoba bi a because nipa obi ape ba bi a okwa opese ye da odo edi kire no okay ana de tosu biem eye bone e ma nipa so efili very very rejected bone eduru pempenso bi na ofomo a unkwa nipa bi nchen kura na odwetwe ne ho unkwa nipa bi nchen kura na isim say o camel e won nchen na o ba enti bone nipa ye bone a ebeduru pempenso bi ma nipa no kura ne bone mo no ontimi nkwa nipa nchen because okwa nipa nchen a that the excuse oba e bi na na tie falasi for no mo mpe ene bonyefo asem omo nka ne bonyefo mata wo mo enti Yesu Kristo ba ya wane ne bonyefo to nsadidi a Bible ne beka so ya ne bonyefo adamfo no falasi for ne ka say we e D4 pa ampa anko be huni nipa kora nipa we ye anko ne ne nto nsadidi di boye ni de so so ye nyankopon na ye nyame D4 de na ne ko to nsadidi enti falasi for ne mpe ne bonyefo asem but Yesu Kristo so ba no say o ye ne bonyefo adamfo enti se obi ti boni mu sebe me nkasa de boni a wo ye na ye fo aso but obi ti boni mu a nyame on tad de boye ni nemu watai boni God doesn't hate a sin but he hates sin so the way it here enti obi ye de boye ni kura na ye ya sofo ni ye Christopher ya said ye say ye kakọ ni pano ni e da odo edi kire no through that na Awurade betimi de nsa kana manasesa but we de ne boni mu no sebe wo ba ye nche kura it seems as a de Ebola bi won ho no de ba ba ye enti nipa ni fili unwanted ohun ni wosan emfaso bi ani ni so and such a person when you adamfo bi a onso betimi obeka ne ho abata ne ho a no de ni wurawura ensanom ni wi ne abrabo a ensam fatamu because onimi se ho no okwa ne ho beto no ana de etosu biem poverty and nipa se we hia dokoro wa obe feel rejected in life it seems that ye mu kura so ye nipa o kan sama yemfa upie na wo bape na yasase e kan won sam ni yesero because na we o esgafo kaza wo ye nipa adwene be na wo na be kire de ye na abeka bibi se de ate like o hia ni nti amani pan se de muza o hia ni nti na nse amani pan se da mfa wo enye bibia enti rejection ya de a very very serious I trust nipa pe ho adwuma na nyankopon so ye so good to the extent say wamaye the antidote for rejection. That is what I'm going to talk about. And any idea I may become was him. Nyamia ma yedura ye betimi de see rejection ano. Say duro no. When you follow me, I will talk about it. Ebra ogusua. Utie. Now, adia rejection eye ne say rejection am nipa bia okra ananasa honhom no emoto. Say oye spiritually o den say de ya ye yiuma wo kwa bisu a nyamia mamu a obonze wa be feel sad. Na fe ohonhom na aboto according to Proverbs chapter number 18, verse number 14, and Proverbs 15:13. 18, Proverbs 18:14, and Proverbs 15:13. What kinds of scriptures we mean? Obemo hunu die rejection ebe nipa life a yeno. O de ye Bible no na yen kinds of scriptures ni mu baako. Said ebe Proverbs chapter 18, verse number 14. Oso nipa honhom tumi soa yade. Na honhom a aboto de. Why no betimi asoa? Onipa honhom etimi soa yade. Na honhom a aboto de. Why no betimi asoa? Yen kan 15:13 nso so. O se aniji akoma ma animute. Enipa na ni ade no. Na animute da bia. Nipa na ni ade na animute. Na akoma mu awreho bubu honhom. Ente nipa bia se owre be ho awo akoma mu a o feel unwanted within you. Da bia wo na manu anim cry style. Da bia wo na mana a picture when nimni with nipa no because of the rejection. Because of the rejection. Okay. Enti niema me bobo so nyina no. Eye, the niema bia na me pese ote ase about rejection. Now, dia ba dia na Nyankopon aye, e de esi rejection anokwan. Dia ba dia na Nyame aye, provision be na Nyame provide for rejection. Antidote be na Nyankopon dia manipa a feeling rejected in life. And niema be na Nyankopon dia ma. Now, before answer ye be ko Nyame e provision nim no. Me pese ote niema mienu bia se number 1. And he say Enipa bone nya ma wi ase no na nipa feel rejected in life. But ebra bone ba wi ase Adam and Eve eye bone wo Nyankopon anim no efiti work because of our sin we became rejected. Yem bone nti no e ma Nyankopon pa yen. Yem bone nti no e ma se be menkan se na yem feel se de ye feel se ebra na bone ni nya ma ye no. Ye bone ma ye be feel unwanted. Ye bone ma ye be feel say as ye nyani pa kra say bia ye ho won faso say na make to say sa na bone de ba enti Nyame ye so good to the extent say Nyankopon pe so provided the solution for rejection no. Nyame da bia meta kan say bi say enipa Adam bone ya we ye no e de problems a wo do bebrebe a ye ntimi mu bodi wa asase so ebi ye koko, ebi ye hypertension, ebi ye high blood pressure, ebi ye sickle cell, ebi ye HIV, ebi ye hepatitis. Ya dia udo bebrebe problem a udo bebrebe. Na Nyame is so good to the extent say all provide the solution to all this problem. One providing many solutions. They will provide one solution. Problem there are many problems, but Nyame provided one answer. And that answer is Jesus Christ. And no matter your problem, the answer to that problem is Jesus Christ. Maybe our marital problem, maybe our psychological problem. Problem be the answer is Jesus Christ, because Jesus is given to us by God as the one answer to all the problems of mankind. What the Jesus Christ amaya say enye nipa ye problem nyina anu ye. And the problem be a nipa will be the answer to that problem is Jesus Christ. So if you reject Jesus Christ in your life, what rejected the answer to your problem? What rejected the answer to your problem? And to make any say no. And the answer for Jesus Christ on the answer to rejection and yes. Big yes. Because Ephesians chapter 1 verse number 6 is we are accepted in the beloved. Wajiya tum ewo obani. Wanyeyantum ewo biye mu say Yesu Kristo mu no wajiyatum. Enti Jesus has been provided by God as the solution to our rejection. What the Yesu Kristo aye ye nipa yi ye man no de na aye na no ye. Ana number 2 fatu tiri say Yesu Kristo ba aye no oba so oba begina mi no mienu anamu abeso aye mbone ho asotwe. Enti na wanya diboyeni because okay Corinthians was in the only mbone no or the ne ye bone mai. Jesus was without sin, but because also begina mi no mienu anamu abefa ye mbone ama ye mbone ho asotwe aba ne so ntino. So abefa bone de a enya bone a enipa reject nipa. Enya bone a wo de esi am no ka say asa na no kobo adwama ya unya HIV, unya hepatitis, unya ebia yade bi ba wa akwa mu no. Enipa be hu ye no ukwa nipa nche kura no wo dwane. Because of bone bi akwa ye this ane ma ne ba yintia. Okay, enti fatu tirimu say Yesu Kristo a ye ka ne ho asemi. O de na ya no ye de na manipa problem nyina. And he is our substitute. Bible say bone akatua ye owuo. eno Nyankopɔn adom akyɛ de ne da nkwa enti Yesu Kristo ebe fa ye hyɛ ne mu ana obegyina ye gyina be sɛ enipa bɔne a wɔyɛ ye no ɛho rejection emla wono ne so enti Yesu Kristo was rejected ɛwɔ kwan ahodo mi nso. Number 1, he was rejected by God because of bɔne a ɔbɛfa so ayɛ nti no Nyankopɔn yi ne man. Okay, Matthew chapter 6 osa Matthew chapter 27 rather osa sɛ nua ne so no ɔbɛfa nipa bɔne so ayɛ no afa nyame yɛ obi a ontimi hwehwɛ bɔne. Okay, Isaiah ɔsɛ nyame ne nsa yɛ ti asɛm so yɛ wɔde na naso nsise ntie mpa bɔne mum yɛ bɔne na me ni nyame ntama wale yɛ bɔne na ama na yi nani ehinta yɛ ente nipa bia ne sɛ bɔne ba wa akwa mu a Awurade be yi nani hinta nyame eyi nani hinta pɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ wa rejected. Enti Yesu befa bɔne so ayɛ no he was rejected by God. That is Matthew chapter 27. Ɔsɛ meja adenti na wapa me because Awurade ntimi hwɛ bɔne Awurade ntimi emfoa bɔne so enti sɛ wa befa bɔne asoa de a ɛkyerɛ sɛ be yi mani hinta. Number 2, and not only God na rejected, he was also rejected by men. According to Isaiah chapter number 53, Bible says enipa pono he was rejected by men. Yesu ba ya nebusuafo kura yi ne man. Yesu ba ya Peter yi ne man. Yesu ba ya Judas Iscariot yi ne man. Yesu Kristo ba ya ebesi ne Israel for ni Yesu Kristo ni because how I know musi expected the coming of Jesus Christ and yes and by. And to Omuni Yesu Christ, it means that they have rejected him. Look at the book of Romans. Oma rejected Christ Jesus. And me no me and until a man and rejected because also of a fire and born in tea. And Tabusia, Masama make a diatra on every in say, if you feel unwanted, and nipa ba kupemuna bet me about ube feeling wanted. When you bet ye, obey accepted any Jesus Christ. Because no, ano deny our rejection who solution. Obejina nemu ever family no me no bone. He was rejected so that we can be accepted. I repeat, he was rejected so that we can be accepted. Enti minim bone kura wutima amani papo. Minim abraba wutimu amani papo. Minim situation wakoma amani pe yiwama. Minim the kind of condition you finding yourself in. Because of that amani pe nyina yiwama. If you are rejected by you can be accepted by Jesus Christ. And found it to be a womb, and found the ablaba womb, and found the condition womb. Maybe Obania Manipa rejected, but then a radism in first Fidiasun country says, Nipa na pumpa, or no dear one po. You are accepted. What told himself? Luke chapter 15, the prodigal son. Or ni papa ejapade mu chefa okose na obaye no obaye no onim se nka ne hu hia ofie obiem enti okatira papa ne say daddy family won ku amu baagu because ablabo a me ko boy ne ehu hia so osade mbeye obabiem but papa na mfa ne ba na anya ne nko a ne mo okatira ne nko a ne say monko me wardrobe ni monko yi the best clothes na mo family monko me mu ani monko yi de wadore srade na mo mfa ne mla na monko no na me ba ni de free say oyira yehu no owi wanyane enti nipa ye bone a o feel rejected o feel unwanted but say nipa no so nti na ma Yesu Kristo ba be wiye. He died for you to be accepted. He died for you to be accepted by God. Enti abusia maybe you are rejected by society. You are rejected by your family. You are rejected by your parents. You are rejected by your friends. But then, yes, you see, men can't tell us, Obani or Beswa, you know, or Beswa, Obani said, Yami Bayi, Nania Hintano. Now, what do you want to? Because of a fire and Bonnie said, Yabaya, or then a tenant. He was rejected for us to be accepted. So I am accepted in the beloved. And to say yes, I don't need any other person to accept me. What do you mean to my praise the Lord? One man and nipa ba kupena one man to me a problem. That is Jesus Christ. That's what you to mundo so dia. Then acceptance, you know, it doesn't matter anymore. We smoker. So when I was saturated for you'll be accepted in the beloved. Madam prostitute. So when I was saturated for you'll be accepted in the beloved. And found it to be any blabba won't be you'll be accepted. Peter was accepted. And broadcast already free in Paul was accepted. And brother who was said the warrior he was accepted in the beloved. Rahab was a prostitute. Rahab no ye Jamaifo. And I was seeing it die. Chrono Efesuoso. Said the Bayo be a Benwa Braba Obo. Any Jumedia or die. Nanso onu ne ho. Now about Israel for the Gopo di. He became accepted. What kind the book of Matthew? And ma Yabubo Mudia Yesu Christo fa almost be as Rahab can be. Rahab can be. Mary Magdalene. No ye Jamaifo. And because of the condition one way or the other, it may be said, Nandi Pemikura in one abrabum. But Obeti Yesu Christo di Obewu Yesu. Now Pemukane born and he became accepted in the beloved. And on any oba nipa or di kanya, Yesu solely for modern word children. What is your condition? O condition in say, who situation in say, and nipa na you are my radin you my. The obo wuni you ma and when it does wasa. And the best solution for your rejection and your suicide. And this that is not the best solution. Say, what do you say? And you pay him and because of that, many that's when you answer, you are losing. That is not the best answer. The best answer is to accept Jesus Christ, because anyone who has accepted Jesus Christ has been accepted by God. Uji Yesu di enyankopon so age watum. Ewuo enye the best answer for you. Loneliness enye the best answer for you. Wonka hu nkoni pa ona enye the best answer for you. Abusiafo obuafu hu bebreba enipa bi aka asema no otu chiki di ama no no. Eno enye the best answer for you. Me to say you are rejected. That is the reason why I will behave that way. But I am providing a solution for you. The solution is accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and your Savior, and you will be accepted. According to Bible, Corinthians chapter 1 verse number 26 to 27. 1 Corinthians. Or say, what the yemi one yankai. 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse number 26 to 27. Yanko tie the Bible ne katere. Or say na anuanom mo hwe mo frɛ no sɛ enya honam fam nyansafo pii ana enya tumfo pii enya adesie pii ana wafrɛ won 27 na embom wiase nkwasiade ana nyankopɔn yi won sɛ ɔdɔm bɛsɛ nyansafo no aniwo wiase nkwasiade won na wiase apo won because of their sin. Won na wiase apo won because of their poverty. One day we are see a poor because of one or two conditions be woman. Bible say almost na nyanko pa frɛ almost one don be say nyansafo na niwo. Abusia one wa frɛ no nyame qualification or the frɛ nipa. O say we are sem kwase ade e we are see ade a wo muo. Sa ni ade na nyame fa and o de say ne ho animonyam. Abusia for me kan kra na de a God takes the unqualified and he qualifies them by his grace. Erade fa oma omo nsem fata na wanam na adom so asiesi oma ma besa fata na wasado oma be yensira ne mfaso de ama oman no a omo reject omo no. Abusia, maybe you feel rejected in your family because your father was not there to take care of you. Your mother was not there to take care of you. But me can de atro say your papa bia obetimi ado wa chen say de o ma me bedo. That is Jesus Christ. Your papa bia obetimi ado wa chen say de o papa bedo. That is Jesus Christ. Jesus can love you better than your mother and your father. Mary kra no wu Yesu Kristo no. Wadi Yesu Kristo kwa asori dem ni wura fi Yesu. Oba tan o, oba tan. Bible says oba tan po ni wura be free ne ba. Ono na safo urade de na wura nya de ba de. Emfree ye da biara da. And your mama na apo, and your papa na apo. I understand. Don't be bitter. Ema yaw, ema wonwunu bi nwura because yaw no wonwunu ni betimi lead you. Ama why obeye rebellion, obeye ade ensem fata. The best medicine for your rejection is to accept Jesus Christ. Is to accept Jesus Christ. Bible nim no ye woni pa bi wo no mo a ebusua po wo mo. No kra na make o. David was rejected. But say no odamure mo nyina na Awurade edwene ne ho. Say no odamure mo nyina na Yesu Kristo Christ edwene adwene bi fa no say minima dwen kura me dwene no enya bone adwene mom eya asomdwe de mema wadi da so na ewiye papa. Ebusua Awurade wa adwene wo adwene fa ho but onso adwene wo adwene fa wanka so abra bo ne say ye yi mi ama until I have to end my life. Me kumi ho me no madure kumi ho me de ade abebo me kon asensoro me se me ho akonfo kumi ho me busa o say so wu wo sa aboni ni mu a wa wie ye ne say who was at a bianimua, where we are say. So who was Abraboyimua and Fana Woko? Why don't you accept Jesus Christ? Because we are accepted in him. Ephesians chapter 1 verse says we are accepted in him. And the Nyamimuno, woman no me rejected and wabu woman. Ewonimu. Abusia, me I was once rejected. Ebi asana wosu tie me. Now so you once rejected. But me be wo Yesu amegi ni di ye no accept me ewonimu. Na Nyame abusua no so ye the best family so far. I was asase so. Wabusia ente se Awurade abusua. Bible say the minti wahwere na eyere ekunu. Bibia wahwere because of Christ and also nsasa abeka. Abusia, accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior. Friends has rejected you. Mother and father has rejected you. May can cry na dia trao. It may be say wutie me a ukunu kura oni kwagina asori dem a mo say mo hobo. Awo ka tro say medo meduni meyo ye meyo say no. Ebere bi aba ma ukunu na de wasi nchen. Wa reject you. Ama wo feel unwanted. What the dem a na ye say entime pa me nie. Entime na ni pass me sia ye mesa. Me na me yira ye mesa no. Me na me kura ye mesa no. Me nu meduro ne makumi ho. Da bi me ni nyi wa abelabo mu biem. Me ni ani je o makoma mu biem. I have to end my life. Abusia, Jesus is the good husband. Ewrade yo kunu papa che ukunu na awale no no. Ewrade yo yire papa eche wo yire na awale no no. Me ka de kwa na de atrao. Ni nyina ne se wo yire betimi yawu. Ukunu betimi yawu. Obetimi yawu ama se de make one sem bet Ewrade die. Odonema Israel for kra ye bonne nyankopon akomada so de Israel for chi. Okay Bible na odifo bi friend Hosea. Nyame mane ko wale wo be dwamanfo. One day obi ye okoba na obe dwamanfo ne sa ne be ma ofro na yesha wo. Be ma ofro sa be fande ne ko. Nyankopon ka tro Hosea so Hosea sa ko ne ko tue sika bi ma be ma ne sa di Hosea sa bra back. Nante oba ne bra back. Osa ko tue age ana Nyame de kasa kire Hosea se sa na me man Israel tie. Sa na me man Israel tie wona koma akodi Nyame foforo ati na so sa be nu wo ho na wadwene na waba wona ti a me sa age wona tum sa wayere na masiesie wo mo. Abusia, you are rejected because of your wife, because of your husband, because of your mother. O mame oniwo o mame wo wayi wo ma o papa besin ne wo hu ne da apart from the day when you say o mame besin ne o fa wani ko sua hu papa da. And who feel rejected in life because papa be anyone. That is the reason why Edwa kopie wi num fie, Edwa kopie nsanum fie. That is the reason why amwa ko join the gang, amwa ko join the society be any kwan so ko join because now who feel rejected, who feel unwanted. When any nipa bi amana ntu fu anka to say nipa bi betimi ajew ado esiesiew amana be ye ye a chese de o ma o papa na oyi u ma any betimi ayo. When any nipa bi betene, I am advising you. Christ can love you more than your father can love you. Christ can love you more than your mother can love you. Christ can love you more than anybody can love you. And radibetimi ado wa chese de nipa bi abedo. Abusia, accept Jesus Christ. Uji ni dia wa be accepted in the family. Yama wa kwaba e de wa ba abusia nim. Entene when ne peja ne nsanti Awurade adie, ama Awurade aka say you are welcome to my family. Bible says was say the boye ni ba ko sachira na adwen a abofo mpempem ne ye de ba de. Enti abofo ni ti because omanya nipa ba ko amena beka Kristo abusuan ho. Wose mumu wa le wonwa 100. Na ba ko payira. Wonya 99 ne won kwa hwe ba ko na aka. Bible say wo hu na nani je abusuan nani je. So obedi Yesu Kristo adi a abofo ani begene. So obedi Yesu Kristo adi a ani je beba wo soro ne. So obedi Awurade adi a obeda ne do adi a kire wa chense de nipa bi abeda ne do adi a kire. You are accepted in Jesus Christ. Yesu mu de yampu obi a. Entemre bi ye kwa asori ade ta to nwum bi se waje ayalefo waje yiyafo Yesu de on se mo eyampa. Yesu odi yiyafo because Yesu ba nya sikafo nkwa na obefre wo mo. What ye yafo no kwa na make to said your condition it bia no Awurade aba ne nsem utwa said your tebia ni sitie bia no Awurade aba ne nsem utwa. The end of men is the beginning of God. enipa wieye eye Nyankopon asase akwa na no san sanua ne so no na wieye nyina ne asanua ne so but wodum na oba wieye wona ablabom odi Yesu di ye no Ewurade nso sase wona ablabom. So the end of men is the beginning of God. Wabrabo wieye eye Nyame asase wan kasa no you reject it. Come to the end of your life for God to begin his life in you. We are accepted in the beloved. We are accepted in the beloved. Israel, okay, in the book of Judges now. Me refi Judge Kurodi. Hey, you won't know. Na you papa. Oni anam ka kire ne say, hey, free and take anyesa wo baba beje ejapade mu chefa ko abrantie we ko ye no wampu ni Nyankopon okoso do nyame de ne husi ho ma nyame o de ne husi ho ma nyame so mpa afa beduru pempenso bi na Israelfo na ekoko a o masem o beka yin na se nipa na ya reject no yankwa ne yankofa ne mla no medi ani mi yankoko o de Nyankopon timi ye Ewurade fo obi a ya pono na wasiesie no wode ne moja adwale no wasiesie no na wode na adoma dom no ama baabi a ya reject no wasa de na ko sa afedie mu hwe de wi amasiesie nipa nafa nye obi akra na beka to se yanyi ntum oduru nchan ya wa begina to mekai me so fo ka se bi tra me se o mususa na o mudi agoro bi se hwehwem ko yumpina o hwehwem ko yumpina that time na bra bonye na agudie ya okwa koyi gebi okwa again nche ya hwehwem yumpina asama again Kenya say aputo achiakai gen antiase because ohwe akwasi ewu a na wo ablabo be na wo ma wo be hwem awa be yimi say wo ya meyere na nse sofo papa wiye ko krom si ekwa akosie no ye kwa ye ohwe ni padom eni animonyama nyame nam na adom so die adwale papa na ye kwa ya again ne maami hu sofo an okofre again de ne bae oba ya no so beta ne sofo oyiri ni o onzo hwe nanim sa o sa akai because all reject me ye de me ma waka wo mpe benyame na modon so siesie mi we de asa frede wani abegeme abusia Ewurade betimi asiesie o ne kura na me ka Ewurade betimi ayoye Ewurade betimi de wasi de ekron Ewurade betimi asa wani monyama ma enipa hu abaye wo nwanwa on beka se enti Solomon nie e beka se ai bi so beka se nye ono a e bi beka se da bi menyi ni am se ye nipa ofro am se da bi menye so say you no abusia de nyame timi ye no eburu nipa adwene won ti ase so de nyame timi ye no nipa adwene won ti ase de nyame timi ye no a foolish man like me na nkan faso ni ye so we were rejected na so ye beje Ewurade di ye no we have been accepted and ye nse ye form ye de ye ho ye ho enso kanene na ye muye ye mfa ye nyawe betenne ye de ye ho ye ho enye obi anso se enimonyam nka Ewurade. Why? Because you didn't do anything, you know, on the Dobani Mojas was yesterday. Ama Yenny and I am we Yenny and Faswani and so Yenny and Anka Boninti, you are quite pante and any pair of two or afraid the Nipa Bow and some way our two. Other four, Mekano Granadiatero. We are accepted in the beloved, and Yama Mabosu in Yano, and maybe I knew them. And Makwa man says one saw some found Cobonimu. And my man loneliness and found Cobonimu. And my quite and my many papa you my yano, Uncle saw one confunku. And my quite I'm my papa home for when you go to you in the dano, you'll be without and my own idea. Maybe key statement to Yatro. What you don't forgive, you become. But what you forgive, you are released from. I didn't be a one fan channel by yes, I could enemy. But I didn't be our channel. What you free side could him. Obi your bonnet no one fanny pacrobony antana. Said you on Casa on Zuna became Casano. But so timid bonnet cha, Uni Pana Becas and Pano. You become what you don't forgive, but you are released from what you forgive. I repeat, you become what you don't forgive, but you are released from what you forgive. Abusia, forgive yourself. Forgive yourself. Sawama saya one no asa wakoma muma edidimo amamrante ni bikura waria the same thing ana omode ye omoyere because nebusiem no onye happy into wale onye happy with his wife onye happy with ne ma onye happy with nikunu Why? Because ebusuana no woman sana be me be wale, and that was the condition of the family. Now onya wanted, onya feeling loved. Obi anon wo ebusuanim. Into a wale yellow real love of panka say dan na di kire be ma na bi ni ho. Real love e dan na di kire oba na bi ni ho because ya na bia di ankire no. But ebusia, accept Jesus Christ in your life. Jesus takes the unqualified and he qualifies them by grace. Ebusia offer the aprona tetia say na onam ni moja so asiesie wona ye omuye ama won ho abam faso me kan okra na di akyerɛw rejection ewo anuye and the solution for rejection is Jesus Christ. If you accept Jesus Christ today as your Lord and personal Savior, you will be accepted. Onam na dum ni moja so be ye oye ama wan faso ni uso no emfaso be ba so am nipa hu nipa kora we. Accept Jesus Christ into your life and you will be accepted. You will be loved. Ebabro wa adwene won ti ase so. Nyankopon Israel, onye oye no onye okese. Se wa ma ho kwan ma na asem Awurade na me so de ba na kasa de akyerew. Na de wasiye e wo Jesus Christ din mu. Amen.
Asole. And you